Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a poll in Mailerlite. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a poll in Mailerlite is a straightforward process, so once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the campaigns. If you do that, you will be forwarded to choose the campaign type. You have the regular. If you click the campaign button here, the regular, which is good for sending a regular email campaign to your selected subscriber, the A/B and split, all right? Now, all you have to do is click the create new campaign. You will choose from the campaign types here. You can opt for the regular campaign, create and send a regular email campaign to your selected subscribers, or maybe an A/B split campaign sent to email variations to sample group and see which performs better, an RSS campaign or other recent campaign or multivariate campaign. We're just going regularly to the first option, which is the regular campaign. Click on continue. You can create a campaign here. For example, the campaign name is going to be poll. All right. Subject is going to be something like this. Free header if you want. You can add in like an emoji. For example, like a boss icon. Recipients is going to be your active subscribers. Click on select and then click the next continue or next content. You will be forwarded to this section. Now, let's go to the template gallery if you want and then type in all templates, type in poll. If you can have a poll here, no items, how about a survey? All right, so you have these three options: feedback survey, multiple choice surveys, and post-event satisfaction survey. All right. Now, if you want to choose this to create a poll later, you might want to click the preview button to make sure that this best represents the your brand and logo or identity. Right? For example, this, and this is gonna be a quick poll. All right. Now, let's click the select template on the upper right corner and will be forwarded to the template editor. Takes a little while. Now, you want to make sure that you have an active internet connection and the template doesn't have any much data, because the more intricate the template is, it takes a little while to load. All right. Now, once it's loaded, you would notice that you have the option to customize all of the information here. Matter of fact, we're going to edit this. We can make it a bit creative. We can choose from a different font style. Maybe we are going to use Anton for this. Okay, looks good enough. And we can create an underline. Maybe a text color would do, something that best represents our logo. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm going to add an image here. You see this? It has an option that says replace image, right? So I'm going to hover to my account and choose this image right here. All right, so perfect. Now I can resize this, obviously, if you wanted. You can change this to a default, all right? You can select any variable, email, name, last name, company. But of course, we're going to be choosing the name so that we're creating a poll, right? So these text right here is editable right here. Even the signature right here, if you want, click the draw type. All right, so we're going to draw. For example, this is going to be deep laughs. All right. I'm sorry, my drawing skills are limited, not professional. click the save option. All right, so see that. So that's my name, and put in the all of the information regarding about the poll. It may appear under advanced elements. All right. You can put, now these are highly customizable. In the recipient, you can choose a target audience. Is it going to be your recipients? You can specify recipients. All right. A customer recipients, and exclude recipients. So you have all these options. But for now, we're going to leave it as it is. And this, we can, matter of fact, change this to a labels, question, error message, description, and inputs and matrix. If you're not happy with the background, you might want to choose something like a color that best represents our logo, which is going to be this one right here. And I'm going to edit this because I wanted to show that we can be creative with the editing. Click on save. All right. Now, if you want to add more kind of like a survey here, like a poll, what you can do is go to the navigation bar on the left side, go to special, and you have another option here that says survey. All right. I want you to click on it. Click on that survey, and it will be added here to your canvas. All right. So if you're happy with it, all right, click the preview and test. Click their preview mode. So you want to make sure that everything is going smoothly. Takes a little while so that you can see the responsiveness for the desktop view. Looks good. The survey is here. On the mobile view, looks very responsive as well. Now, you have an option to copy the URL link if you are working with multiple freelancers or for collaborative efforts. Or if you want to send it to your clients so to get feedback or comment about the campaign that you are creating about a poll here in Mailerlite. You can also have the option to save it as a PDF, which is very helpful if you wanted to present this as a hard copy during presentations or meeting. I'm going to exit this one. Now, the preview and test, if you want to send a test mail, click this section. You can put in the email that you wanted and click that send test to make sure that the campaign has been placed and put together. All right. Now, if you click the done editing, you also have an option to save this as a template that you might want to use later on for future reference. For example, there's going to be a poll. And click on save. And then once you're happy with that, I want you to click on done editing. And that's how you create a poll in Mailerlite. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.